Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel once again. Today in this video I am going to show you how to make English chocolate cake without oven. Isn't it so interesting? So let's start our recipe. So we need sugar 70 gram, butter 40 grams, refined flour 75 grams, cocoa powder 10 grams, 2 to 3 spoon of choco chips, this is for garnish, buttermilk 70 ml, baking powder as 4 gram, and baking soda 1 to 1.5 gram. Now we will move to our process, how we are going to make it. I will show you that step by step. So first take our butter and on a plate you need to take it and then we'll start creaming it. You need soft butter and then we'll take our sugar and then slowly you need to start creaming along with the butter. Creaming can be done in this way. Creaming helps you to incorporate air inside the butter and sugar. After 3 to 4 minutes of creaming up of our butter and sugar together, now we will transfer this mixture to a bowl. And then again you need to give a light mix in the bowl. You will see the color of this butter will start changing. So now we will add our buttermilk in this mixture. And then with the help of a rubber spatula, we will start mixing it. And next we will add our flour. Cocoa powder. And then same in the mixture we will follow with the baking soda and our baking powder. We will start mixing this mixture. Folding is known as cut and fold method. Okay, so we need to mix it in this way. So as you can see, our mixture is almost mixed and our batter is almost ready. So it's a time for putting this mixture in the mold and then we'll bake it in our pressure cooker. This should be our consistency for our chocolate cake. So now our mixture is ready and now next step we'll move to line our mold. So this process is known as lining. In this you need to apply a little amount of oil in the mold. Whenever you are making any kind of cake, you can follow this step which will help you to remove out your cake after baking. Now I have cut a paper so that I can put inside this, and then on top of this paper again I will put a little amount of oil. You don't have to put too much of oil in this. Just few drops. Now as you can see, our mold is ready and our mixture is ready as well. So now you can fill the mold with the mixture. You can use a different varieties of molds. You can make it in round or square or a brick mold. Make sure you need to fill 70 to 75% of your mold. Don't overfill it, otherwise your mixture will come out after baking and the shape won't look good. And then you will give a 2 times tapping so that the mixture will set evenly everywhere. And now we'll add some choco chips, which will give you a nice appearance after baking. Now I've preheated our pressure cooker and I'm removing the gasket and as well as our whistle from the pressure cooker. And now what you need to do is you can keep a stand or a ring or a small katori or a plate at home if you are making it, and on top of that we will place our cake mold in this way. We have to close it and flame should be medium, and then you need to keep it for baking for around 30 to 35 minutes. After that we are going to check our cake. So now after 30 to 35 minutes we are going to check our cake. So for that I will open our pressure cooker and with the help of a toothpick, so we'll poke this inside this and we'll check. So if you feel that it is sticking to your toothpick, that batter, so you will understand it's not yet cooked. So as you can see, it's completely dry. So our cake is ready. So I will remove it out. Wow, I can see a beautiful cake is ready. And then I will demold it from the mold. So as you can see, our chocolate cake is ready. So you can use the same mixture to prepare muffins or even the cupcakes. Please don't forget to hit likes, share and comment on this video, and please do subscribe my channel if you are not yet subscribed, and press the bell icon to get more updates. Thank you for watching. See you next time.